As indicated by our Cosmos cost expectation, the cost of Atom explicitly is anticipated to drop by $0.203965 over the genuinely next 7 days, coming to $7.35 by September 26, 2023, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you are looking for Cosmos market gauge examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to generally know where the cost of Cosmos Atom may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments, which especially is genuinely critical. This value expectation is pointed toward noting a large portion of especially your inquiries. Will Cosmos Atom basically recover its all-time high, which generally is genuinely huge? What will Cosmos by and large be worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase Cosmos in a for the most part significant manner? Certainly. Is Cosmos presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this Cosmos cost expectation figure, we will handle different Atom specialized markers to foresee the cost of Cosmos in an extremely enormous manner. Fundamentally, Cosmos Atom value forecasts. Cosmos financial backers sort of have encountered returns of more than 17.40% on their speculation this sort of past week, most certainly because of the bullish period Atom has encountered. In the wake of examining the specialized markers for Atom, we sort of expect a genuinely slight rectification could really occur over the by and large following couple of days, or so they thought. Beneath you can really see the Cosmos hourly, every day in every practical sense, week after week and certainly month to month cost expectations, which is very huge. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what Cosmos will in a real sense be most certainly worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the genuinely 1 week from now and 1 month from now. Cosmos Atom, authentic cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of Cosmos generally is $7.55, and it is at present position number 24 out of all digital currencies, which generally is genuinely critical. How much stockpile as of now available for use for Cosmos is 365,241,618, with a kind of complete market capitalization of $2,764,152,885. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the cost of Cosmos has expanded by 2.39%. In every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking, Cosmos has developed at a consistent speed throughout recent days, acquiring 17.40%. This increment has Cosmos financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for this present week, or so they really thought. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Atom basically dropped by 3.02%. Diminishing its past worth of $7.79 by $0.235243. Incredibly, this current downtrend for the most part implies that Cosmos is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Cosmos most certainly has dropped by 15.02% over the most recent 3 months, killing $1.34 from its past worth of $8.89, or so they thought. Our Cosmos market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which break down different specialized pointers, especially, for example, the overall strength list, RSI, moving genuinely normal union disparity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Foreseeing future costs of Cosmos certainly is a troublesome errand, and numerous different elements impact the value, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thus, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your own exploration, or so they fundamentally thought. Counsel your monetary guide prior to pursuing any venture choices, which is genuinely huge. Cosmos Atom, Value Expectation 2023. As we truly recuperate from the crypto winter, we essentially are expecting that Cosmos will, for the most part, accomplish an especially greatest cost of $13.60, As the market by and large begins to recuperate, the base expected cost is $9.07, and the typical cost will float around $11.33. Cosmos Atom Value Expectation 2024. As Cosmos keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Cosmos can accomplish a most extreme cost of $21.15, while the exceptionally normal cost for the year will by and large remain around $18.89. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value Atom can by and large reach in 2024 certainly is $16.62, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Cosmos Atom Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we explicitly anticipate that Cosmos should really see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $28.71, averaging around $26.44. Or so they truly thought. Cosmos could see a for the most part least cost of $24.17. Cosmos Atom Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, Cosmos could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $36.26 in 2026, with a typical cost of $33.99. In the event that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $31.73, which is genuinely huge. Cosmos Atom Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of Atom by nations all over the planet, Cosmos can guarantee a most extreme cost of $43.81 by 2027, with a typical cost of $41.55 anticipated. Incredibly, moreover, the genuinely least cost for that very year could see $39.28. Cosmos Atom Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, Cosmos reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto truly is here to generally remain. Financial backers could explicitly see Atom arriving at an exceptionally greatest cost of $51.37 by 2028, followed by an especially least cost of $46.84. The in every way that really matters, normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $49.10, which truly is very huge. Cosmos Atom Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, because of the development throughout recent years, we will see one more significant bull, which generally implies that Cosmos financial backers may sort of see Atom in every practical sense accomplish a greatest cost of $58.92, basically followed by a very normal cost of $56.66. The fundamentally least cost got from our specialized examination for the most